gentlemen, 2 more matches for you this afternoon. Let's get on with it. Here comes another one.
And we're back with our penultimate match of the evening. Oh my god, Mike Bird is here in SWW.
Looking very snazzy.
Very snazzy, brand new attire, brand new coat. Mike Bird is a big name in British wrestling. He needs little introduction, certainly not for myself. The Ginger Jesus.
Is that his real nickname?
It is.
Oh. Well, let's pray he creates some miracles tonight.
Mike Bird here in SWW. I don't think anyone was expecting that.
Challenge match to be wrestled with 1 fall. You know what, Lee? You can hold the microphone.
See, I told you.
What a title.
I would say it's lovely to see you all, but we all know that's an absolute lie.
Oh, and we were so excited.
That's no Messiah.
In the 18 months since I've last seen you all, clearly none of you have learned to brush your teeth. I didn't get quite any words of those that you spoke to me, child. You are English. I do take you were English, son. Speak the language then, boy.
Oh.
Where's Ginger Jesus from?
He is from Newport, South Wales.
Ah.
I've been in the Southwest going on 20 years, and I have yet to see anybody that impresses me. Especially you, love. I've issued an open challenge for anybody to come and make a name for themselves.
Wow.
If you beat me, you go to the top. If I beat you, you never heard from again. And you know it.
That's quite the offer. Are my boots around here?
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, then presenting officially from Newport in Wales, the Ginger Jesus, the Birdman, Mike Bird.
Well, I think we can all agree it's a thrill to have Mike Bird here in SWW, although I would have rather he came with a more welcoming energy.
Yeah, welcoming. The name like Ginger Jesus. You'd think he'd be very nice, graceful, floating through the crowd.
Who is going to step up? Who is going to be brave enough to take on this challenge? I imagine there's a tussle backstage. And here he is. KM Lane has taken up the challenge.
Does he have a dirty like name as well?
I'm sure by the end of this match he will, regardless of outcome.
Afro Jesus, maybe?
Maybe.
Afro Jesus versus Ginger Jesus?
I think it lacks alliteration. Well, he's certainly got the energy. Bringing a lot of confidence, and you're going to need it if you're going up against Mike Bird in an open challenge. This could go very well or pretty horrendously for him.
Yeah.
But I know we're going to make you feel very, very welcome. A long journey
it's got the moves.
from Chatham in Kent. Say hello to
Kent, no less.
KM Lane.
And it is a warm welcome from SWW. I think everyone can respect the tenacity it's going to take to accept Mike Bird's open challenge here. Referee doing his due diligence.
I'm sure he does.
Gentlemen, commence wrestling.
And into the lockup.
see KM Lane has got does he have a boxing background? You see he's thrown a few stances there.
But you know
He's
what?
got something there.
I don't know. I'm afraid not a tremendous amount is known about this young man. He's a fresh competitor making his debut here at SWW.
But I am recognising he's thrown a couple of boxing stances. He's ready. He's bracing the impact.
Right. And folks listening at home will note that Joe Post had to step away from the desk, but I'm happily joined by Charles, filling in.
Your boy. Oof. But however, boxing will not get you out of that.
I'm afraid not.
We were not taught that in the gym.
No. Advanced Mike Birdology was not part of the syllabus.
No. Oof. Brutal.
He's got that ankle locked up, but Mike Bird slips out. That's the experience. Bending the wrist. Both these competitors showing strong mat game.
Going for the hair.
Jealousy. That's all it is.
Jealousy. Oof.
Oof. You can feel that one from over here.
Yeah. Brutal.
And the athleticism from Lane.
Very good.
Oh. You hate to see that lack of sportsmanship, and it's an interesting strategy coming in here, making his SWW debut. You would think, as we've seen in other matches, roller, easily broken out of, you would think that getting the crowd on your side could only be an advantage. Bird making a point to keep this agile, younger, new star down, keeping him grounded as much as possible.
Been nothing but pins so far. When's it gonna end? Right back at him.
The heavy shoulder block. Over. Dodged the clothesline and nice reversal. See, this is the speed that Bird was fearing.
Yep.
Lane going high. Oh! Did he trip or did Bird pull the rope? I didn't quite see.
I think he tripped. As you say, it's his debut. Lack of experience on the ropes.
Yep.
In the corner. Oh.
It's worth pointing out, it's not always clear when you're looking at camera, but when you're up there on those ropes, you're a good at least 15 feet off the ground, at least.
Elbow chop to the neck? Yes, to the neck.
It's not as easy as it looks.
And again. Closing those windpipes. Ooh. Straight to the chest. Break those ribs.
Shades of Flair. Oh god.
Wow. Absolute torture.
They're doing everything he can to weaken Lane. Make sure that he dampens any speed that he's got.
Ooh, low blow.
Attempted, not quite. Though I rather suspect, knowing Lane as we have throughout the course of this match, that was not an attempted low blow. I think it was an attempted gut punch. It just didn't quite land. He's tying Lane in knots in this match.
Ginger Jesus making light work of KM Lane. Making conversations with the crowd. That's how easy he finds it.
This is natural. This is home turf for Mike Bird. Controlling the match. Keeping Lane locked up, tied around like a knot on a rope. You gotta think any sort of strategy Lane had coming into this, using his speed, his agility, the top rope, anything that he had planned, all of that is being just slowly ground down by Bird.
Nothing going on, Rick. Nothing going on.
Bird using the rope as a steady, and referee already seen it. He kicks Bird's arm off that rope. Nice suplex.
Back at it. I was going to say maybe the getting back on the corner wasn't such a great idea, especially after the first time.
Cover. Kick out at 2.
KM going for those body shots. Just not enough. Oof.
Very generous 2 there. And straight into another cover. Out at 2. Lane keen to put this one away quickly. Oh, that was a heavy gut punch. And you know when you get hit in the gut, that's that sort of dull, lingering pain. Into a cover now.
Kick out at 2.
Somehow finding the energy and all of that to kick out.
If you were keeping properly, not sliding out the ring, then a bit of 3. 2. No, I have to do that. Just a 2. Work experience referee.
And the ref isn't taking any nonsense from Bird. He's not intimidated by the man's experience or stature in that ring. Calling it as he sees it. And you've got to respect that.
See, this would be cheating.
Ooh, what? Eye gouging.
Broken up quickly. but the damage may already be done, and it looks like it is. This crowd using his Ginger Jesus, Mike Bird's moniker for a long time, more as an insult to Dave than anything. Somehow I don't think they're being sincere. Heavy chop. Kick out at 2. Back into that familiar ground game.
Ooh.
Oh. Nasty elbows to the back of the head. Just unloading on him now, distracting him from being able to break out those legs, but Mike's done with him.
This is a choice. You're ugly because you're just ugly. That's a choice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mike Bird showing very little respect for the man that's decided to accept his open challenge. He was brave enough to accept his open challenge.
Ooh. It's clear Bird is trying to make a very, very good example of KM Lane here. What happens when you step into the ring with Bird? You get beaten down.
Don't point now, I'm you point.
Cross body, 2, kick out. Attempt to drop kick there, just missed elbow, straight onto Lane's back, and another cover. There it is, that frustration. With every failed pin attempt, that frustration builds and builds and builds. And it can either give you that final push you need to get a win, or it can be your undoing. Start making mistakes. Big chop. That was my nickname in primary school.
Funny enough, I used to sport an afro the same size as KM Lane's right there.
Did you?
Maybe bigger, yeah.
Really?
For years. Well, it wasn't as kept, I would say.
No.
It was barely ever combed out, but when it was about the same size as that.
Okay.
Maybe big.
Oh!
Wow.
And aren't you glad that you don't have that target now?
No, exactly. I'm
making use of the hair, pulling it down, and that hurts. That really bloody hurts.
I'd suggest to KM Lane in his next match in a professional sport like this, where your hair will be used as a target. Maybe
it really shouldn't be though.
Shouldn't be, no. But you know, this
Does he have anything left? That's 2 times he needs to show the referee that he's still in there. There it is. There it is. Finding the power to break Bird off. tape he's got there from his wrist by the looks of it. See that agility of Lane. Going over.
Ooh, what was that?
Lovely spinning kick.
Great.
And here we are again. Lane drawing on the crowd. Is this it?
Flying elbow? Yes. Oh.
Oh. And now that question that runs around everyone's head at this point of the match, what is it going to take?
Top row, third time's a charm. Oh no.
Ooh, just dodged under it and a nasty landing there. Caught his ankle on Bird. Roll up. Nope. Back into that ground game.
Oh, tying him up again.
See, look at that. That's pure experience. That is expert knowledge of the mat game. That knee is in agony right now. Can he make it to a rope? He's got it. And we're back just in time to break up. Dodged it. Another lovely spinning kick. When that heel gets you right in the centre of your face.
You don't want a heel to the face. It's one of my biggest fears. The heel is like the elbow, very
solid. It's hard,
solid, and it's sharp as well.
Yeah.
You don't think it's sharp? It's very sharp. But you may if you have to receive a heel, you can receive it to your body, to a leg maybe. But if you receive it to the face, something's getting cut.
Yeah.
Something's going to be heavily damaged.
He's stretching him out. It's like a rag doll.
He really is. But he's enduring.
Again, that speaks to the tenacity of Lane. He accepted this challenge and he refused to tap until now. But who can blame him? Look,
He did a very good effort. Very good effort.
he may have lost this one, but I think everyone at SWW is going to be incredibly impressed by that performance. His debut here against one of the top wrestlers in the country. He should be very proud of that performance.
What a contest from two great wrestlers there. But by submission, the winner of this challenge match is the Birdman, Mike Bird.
You heard it, the madman indeed.
Boos from the crowd.
Maybe his first appearance at SWW, but I think it will not be his last.
And folks, I'm sure you'll agree, it was a hard-fought contest. He
Certainly was.
gave everything. Not only is it his debut
Ref is consulting with KM Lane.
It's only his 4th or 5th match ever. Let's hear it for KM.
You hear that? 4th or 5th match ever.
Oh wow.
That is exceptionally impressive. I think the crowd might have found a new fan favourite. I do hope we'll see him again here in SWW.
Few years of KM Lane. Well done indeed.